Let's turn this plain bag into your personalized Christmas gift bag with OKI PRO8432 and ELI600. Choose your settings first, then drag your design to OKI RIP software and click Print Job. OKI PRO8432 prints solid white onto a wide variety of media. It can be used in combination with transfer media to create a vibrant print on dark backgrounds, dark colored garments, and other hard surfaces. Marry paper, side A and side B, and press it. ELI600 is a heavy-duty swing-away heat press with consistent high pressure. You're done! It's easy and uncomplicated to be creative with OKI PRO8432 and ELI600. Now, you have your personalized Christmas gift bag for your friends and loved ones. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! For more information, visit our website at www.textcraft.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.